Well, Savannah and state fire investigators are searching for the cause of this fire. A Savannah fire spokesman says they won't know anything tomorrow morning, and there's no timeline either, so it could be a while before we know what caused this fire. WJCL's Chelsea McDonald joins me now with more on what it's like out there today. Chelsea?
Well, Rob, after firefighters were able to fully extinguish the fire late this morning and early this afternoon, they were basically cleaning up everything, like picking up the thousands of feet of water hose that they use. Going into tonight, they will have a fire crew to watch to make sure it doesn't start again. Arnold Karp didn't know about the fire until customers asked him if it was inside Georgia Ports Authority.
She said, well, if you step out your door, okay, you can see it. And it was jet black smoke. It was pretty bad.
This is what he saw. A massive fire at Georgia Port's Ocean Terminal. It started at this warehouse, which had nearly 2,000 tons of crude rubber. After nearly 24 hours, firefighters were able to fully extinguish it early Sunday.
They are keeping some water on certain areas just to make sure that there aren't any more flare-ups. That way it'll just cool down those areas and hopefully we don't get any more fire.
Ports Authority brought in some equipment to help knock down a portion of the wall to allow firefighters better access to get into the hot spots.
At this point, we'll probably keep one company, just kind of keep an eye on it, make sure that there are no other flare-ups, and that way if there are and they need extra resources, they can call them in right away.
Mark Keller with Savannah Fire says for that type of fire and the material burning, firefighters contained and extinguished it quickly.
I of course can't say anything but great job by all the firefighters, all the emergency responders that came out here.
Coincidentally, for Karp and his business, well, they had one of their best days in months.
It almost became like a tourist attraction because the tourists would be flocking right outside the door is River Street in the river, and they all flocked over to take pictures of it and to look at it from here.
The Ocean Terminal will resume operations tomorrow morning with normal gate activity. Also, Rob, the air quality in the area is acceptable, so I know there were some concerns about the debris and the soot left, but it should all be good by now.
Yeah, a lot of people certainly happy about that the air quality is has been rated as good, and hopefully things can get back to normal.
Hope so.
All right, thanks, Chelsea.